Hey guys, Jack Neely here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I am standing in front of one of Boston Whaler's 250 Dauntlesses, and this boat is such a cool boat and it's got so much to offer, and it's arguably one of the best 25-foot hybrid center consoles out on the market right now. Once you look at the outside of the boat, it's got pretty lines, it's very sexy, but one thing to note back here is this boat, it actually has a reverse chine down low. So when you are running this boat, it's very comfortable chopping through those waves, but also pushes that spray down towards the water, keeping it very dry and very smooth. And that is something that Boston Whaler is really known for. And I would love to show you guys what she's got. Hey guys, we are on board the Boston Whaler 25 Dauntless. One of the coolest boats that we have to offer here. It's a very versatile hybrid boat. If you are an avid fisherman or just a family man, this boat's got a lot to offer for you. Here in the aft, we have a large casting platform, but not only is it a large casting platform, this is a great area to get in and out of the water comfortably. If you guys were making those long trips, you have these stowed away pop-up seats. And obviously over here, we have one up. And then over here, it's as simple as opening this up, bringing that backrest up, and bringing out your cushion that actually has magnets on the back side, and it will strap up in the front, making it super simple for when you guys come in and out of the water. You don't have to cover these. You'll actually just stow them down low to keep them out of the sun. You obviously have a large reboarding ladder over here. It is natured away from the engine so that you don't have to worry about the kids getting too close to the engine. Of course, the engine's going to be off. Back onto the engine, this is a Mercury 400 V10, pushing this boat extremely fast, and this is the largest engine package you can have on this 25 Dauntless. Up here at the helm, very simplistic, but a lot going on. It is very sexy and very simplistic with two SIMRADs, everything integrated to those screens, your redundant rocker switches for all the stuff you need to get to fast, upgraded JL audio, and a simple but effective electric binnacle. You have a very large helm seat for a 25-foot boat. These helm seats have reversible bolsters in case you were the captain that likes to stand while he's underway, or when you get in those rough seas, you can actually put these armrests down to make you feel tight and comfortable in the boat. Once we make our way up to the bow, you'll notice this is where the party happens. You've got a large fish box for all your catch, and this is an insulated fish box where you can keep your cooler, all your drinks like a cooler, or you could use it as a fish box. Up in the bow, got a nice stowed away anchor locker. This is where you'll stow all your rode and of course your anchor, or if you just wanted to use it as another cooler. On this boat specifically, if you didn't want to carry an anchor, we have a large Minn Kota trolling motor. Use it for spot lock, use it for hitting the flats, or just cruising around to your local restaurants. My name is Jack Neely with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Come on down and check her out.